The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Alright, my people, Dancehall skilla here again. Yeah, big up and respect to each and everyone. Alright, so I saw a video posted on social media, and in the video a person said some things that gave me the understanding that the person said that he found something inside of a cheese container that the person believed is cocaine. See me? And when I say a cheese container, I'm talking about that tin that you can buy cheese inside of it. So I say, yeah, and the person also said other things that gave me the understanding that the person said that his mother picked up that thing that was inside of the cheese container that is believed to be coke, or the person believed it is coke, to bring to someone. You see me? Now, when I saw the video, I wondered a few things, no viewers and subscribers. You see me? Yeah, first of all, I wonder if the video is about a real situation. And if the video is really about a situation, then I wondered who his mother got that thing from that the person think is cocaine that was inside of a cheese container. You see me? Now, whether or not the situation or whether or not the video is about a situation of how he found cocaine inside of a cheese container, I want to say to each and everyone, please be careful how you take things from one person to bring to another person. Yeah, because I know quite a number of persons who got into trouble for that. Yeah, so be careful, especially if you're going to travel overseas. All right? You don't want to get into trouble with the law for them kind of things there. You see? Say no to drugs. Say no to drugs. All right? Anyways, I'm going to move on to another topic. You can let me know what you think about that situation that I just talked to you about. All right? Now, I saw a video posted on social media that had been recorded somewhere within the country that is known as Jamaica. Now, according to some things that I saw and heard in this video, and according to some information that I got, it is said that the video shows a man who injured a female with a weapon. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly when the video will be recorded, viewers and subscribers. And by looking at this video, you might get an understanding as to exactly where within the country of Jamaica the video will be recorded. Alright? Now, I'm going to present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and then we'll talk a little bit more about this video. But I want you to please bear in mind that this video shows a certain number of persons, and that includes police from within the country of Jamaica. The video shows when the person who injured or had been accused of injuring the female ran away from a certain spot because a certain person or persons intended to apprehend that person or to attack the person for what he had done to the female. Alright? So therefore, this video shows some things that some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might not want to see, and harsh language can be heard in this video as well. So before I present the video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
John no star. The man just chop up a girl. What the fuck? What the fuck? Kill him! Kill him! Kill him! Kill him! Chop the girl for nothing at all.
Yo, I want to some people. Yeah, listen. Listen up.
Yo, I'm received. Yo! 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 Blood clot! Yo! Man, run! Run for your life, boy! Guys, keep an eye out for that mad boy and son. Him just walk up to people, chop them up, stab them up, do him for do.
Alright, now I saw another video that shows when the man had been approached by the police within the country of Jamaica. See him? And it is said that the man had been taken into police custody. See me, as a viewer and subscribers. Now, there are questions about that man's mental health. Now, whether or not if that man is a mentally ill person or not, I want to say this to each and everyone. Just be careful about mentally ill persons out in the public out there. See, I've said this before in other videos, and I think it is very important. You know, I hope that the government of Jamaica will do more to get some of these mentally ill persons off the street of the country of Jamaica, because some of them are very dangerous to people out in the public. You see me, I say? Yeah. Now, I didn't get any confirmed information about the female's medical health. Is it? However, it is said that the man injured the female with a weapon. Alright, so I'm just making you know about that situation, and I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I saw a video that shows when a person visited Miss Donna. Now, according to some things that the person said in the video, and according to some things that Miss Donna said in the video, I got the understanding that the person said that he is Solaine's brother. And according to some more things that I heard in the video, I got the understanding that other persons was at that location at that time who are said to be Solaine's family members. You see? Now, in the video, Miss Donna went on to explain certain things to the person who is said to be Solaine's brother as to what happened between her and Solaine. See? Now, my understanding overall about the situation between Miss Donna and Solaine is that Miss Donna had been accused of sending men to beat Solaine. However, sometime after that, I got the understanding that Miss Donna helped Solaine because she is or was sick. You understand? Yeah, I said is or was because I'm not sure about her medical condition. But according to some things that I heard in the video and according to some things that have been said on social media and another video that I saw, I got the understanding that at some point Miss Donna visited Solaine and Solaine looked sick. You see me I say? I also saw a video that shows when she visited Solaine and Miss Donna went on to explain in the video that I saw that shows a person who said to be Solaine's brother that she got persons to clean Solaine's house because inside the house was so dirty or somewhat dirty. Yeah, she also mentioned that a person or persons who was cleaning Solaine's house had to use hose. See, so it seems like the house really dirty then. You see me? I also got the understanding that Miss Donna explained how she helped Solaine to get medical attention and that Solaine have sugar and how she helped Solaine to fill the prescription or she filled the prescription for Solaine. So I say my people, yeah, so despite all those things that have been said on social media about Miss Donna still helped Solaine. You understand my people? And you see, these are the things that I look at when it comes on to certain things that circulate on social media because when Miss Donna had been accused of sending men to beat Solaine in viewers and subscribers, I said to myself, okay, let me look and observe carefully because as social media we are talking about, a lot of things materialized and make up on social media and post out there, you understand? So I hope that a situation like this can help persons to realize that certain things are not exactly as it seems on social media. You see? Yeah, but me just make you know about the situation there. So my people, yes, so just to make you know. Alright, so I'm going to move on to another topic. You can tell me what I think about the situation between Solaine and Miss Donna. Alright? So I got information that the Jamaican musician who goes by the name of Jashi had been placed into police custody sometime from between the 31st of December the year 2021 to the 1st of January the year 2022. Now, I cannot tell you exactly when he had been placed into police custody in viewers and subscribers, but I got information that New Year's caught Jashi in police custody. That would be the 1st of January year 2022. You see? Yeah, so according to more than one news articles, they said that Jashi had been arrested and charged by the police within the country of Jamaica for breaches of the Disaster Risk Management Act. It is said that he had been arrested by the police following an event that had been held within St. Elizabeth, Jamaica on the 31st of December the year 2021. It is said that he had been granted bail and that he is set to appear in court on February 14, the year 2022. See, so just to make you know about those information that I got, viewers and subscribers. Alright, so I'm going to move on to another topic. Alright, so I got information that the funeral for the person who goes by the name of Christopher Dagpa Linton had been held on the 31st of December, the year 2021. According to information that I got and according to some things that I read in a news article, it is said that Dagpa's body had been laid to rest at a place that is known as Dovecot Memorial Park in St. Catherine, Jamaica. I also read some things in a news article that gave me the understanding that a certain amount of persons who was at a wake that had been held for Dagpa on the 30th of December, the year 2021, had been brought into police custody for processing. And according to the same news article, I got the understanding that a certain amount of persons who was at that wake was upset about how police officers treat persons who was at the wake. Alright, now a wake is an event where persons come together to celebrate the life of someone who died. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, and I also saw pictures and videos posted on social media about the funeral. I also read in a news article where it is said that Dog Pa's baby mother gave a eulogy and talk about certain things when it comes on to Dog Pa. Yeah, I read in a news article where it said that Dog Pa baby mother did a eulogy and talk about Dog Pa and so forth. And I also read a news article where it is said that security forces within the country of Jamaica crushed plan to parade Dog Pa's body. You see? Yeah, so I think I'm going to leave it right there in the viewers and subscribers, just to give you certain information when it comes on to Dog Pa's funeral and so on. You see me I say? So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in name Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see?